Alright guys, well it's the opening day of the rifle season, the firearm season here in the southern zone of New York, so we're out here with the rifle this morning. This is that piece of property that I've been bow hunting and seen all these bucks on. And last weekend I bow hunted this, and I watched I'm pretty sure it was a pretty good buck come up out of this field and pushed a doe right up in this little area that I'm hunting this morning. So got a rifle so I don't have to be so close. I backed up the hill a little bit, and now I can kind of see down over this little ridge system in here. So fingers crossed that something walks through here and I get to put one on the ground this morning. Super excited to be here. I got a couple of my buddies and my dad with me, so my buddies were running late this morning. So I just got them all squared away, and now we're all set up and waiting on a deer, so keep watching, guys. I think it's going to be a matter of time. Sure I got him chewing, but that last shot we heard right here close was Nick. He said he thinks he just shot a buck, so very cool, very cool. He's only 150 yards down this logging road from me, so hopefully he hit him, and we got some work to do, hopefully. Hang in there, guys.
I did one of these. I put 180'd.
Does he have it that way?
Oh yeah, right into the clear cut.
Sweet.
I heard some horns after he started to run. I just heard those, what I thought were squirrel steps behind me.
Steer's dead. It's awesome, man. I told you to get in here on this clear cut and you're gonna see him.
This is weird because it came from where the wind was blowing, like it's blowing this way. So it's weird how he didn't smell me.
That's what bucks do, they walk with the wind in their face.
No, like the wind is blowing this way. I was sitting back there and he came out right here. So it was blowing right into his face.
Yeah, the bucks walk with the wind in their face. This deer's dead. These are heavy footprints.
Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of blood everywhere, dude.
Oh, he's toast.
I got it to about right here, and this is where he told me to wait. Yeah, I heard those squirrel steps. And it was weird.
That's weird because
I opened up a Snapchat from Eddie, and it was him showing him big old buck in one hand and doe in the other. And I was like, oh, cool. And I kept hearing the I was like, what is? Turn around. And as soon as I turn around, he stops. And he looks at me. All I see is a long ass nose and big body.
Huh. I bet you killed my 8-pointer.
So I just pull up and I shot
Right here. This deer's dead. He went through that? Yeah, he's this way. He's down in here. Right here.
Yeah, right here.
You got blood? He ain't going far.
Right here. It's hard because the sun. It's hard to see.
Right here. Right here. All the way up through here. Right there.
There he is, I think, right up ahead. I think I see some blood right there.
Blood. Blood.
Oh, that's just a grass bag.
Blood. Blood, blood.
Oh, there's a deer. Oh, okay. Thick? That was a good job.
I have pictures of that deer. Nice shot. Very good.
Pretty good deer. Looks like he came here, turned around, and died. I thought I heard him rustling around over here.
Hell yeah, buddy.
Pull him up over here, get a little picky.
Nice work.
Alright guys, so I was just editing this video and I got to the point we just got Nick's deer all dragged out and it's got tagged on it, it's all in the truck ready to go. And we all checked our phones and we all had a group chat going, and Tanner texted in saying he shot a big one, so we ended up going over there and meeting up with those guys. So we got over there and we didn't film a whole bunch. I pretty much only filmed a couple kind of close-up shots with the deer track and stuff like that. So you guys are gonna see that next. So if you like what you're seeing, don't forget to subscribe and catch you in the next one.